Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on iOS using Face ID for crypto wallet step by step clearly. To start using Face ID for your crypto wallet on iOS, first, ensure your device is compatible with Face ID. Check that your iOS version supports Face ID. Open the App Store and download the crypto wallet app of your choice if you haven't installed it yet. Launch the crypto wallet app on your device. Navigate to the App Settings menu, usually found in the bottom right corner or under your profile icon. Look for the option labeled Security or Authentication. Within that section, you should see an option for Face ID. Toggle the Face ID setting to enable it. The app may prompt you to authenticate using your Face ID. Position your face within the frame displayed on the screen to complete the Face ID setup. Once Face ID is set up, return to the main interface of your wallet. To test the authentication, log out of the app if you are currently signed in. Now, attempt to log back into the wallet. If prompted, align your face with the camera to initiate Face ID recognition. After a successful scan, you should gain access to your wallet. Always ensure your Face ID feature is functioning properly through your device's settings. This enhances the security of your crypto wallet and personal assets. If you face any issues, check for updates to the wallet app or your iOS. By following these steps, you can securely authenticate your crypto wallet using Face ID on iOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.